course, I really respect Buju Banton as an artist, and I understand where he's coming from. Reggae is not Afrobeats, and the Afrobeats in Nigeria is R&B to jazz. You can't compare jazz to rock music or punk rock, or it's all for music is for different purposes. And there is music, you know, that is for uplifting people economically and financially and politically.
Grammy-winning Nigerian sensation Tems and legendary Jamaican artist Buju Banton. So, what's all the buzz about? Let's dive right in. Tems acknowledges Buju Banton's criticisms of Afrobeats. Recently, Tems responded to some spicy remarks made by Buju Banton about Afrobeats. During an appearance on Kick Games Shopping for Sneakers, Tems was asked about Buju's comments from his August interview on Revolt TV's Drink Champs. And wow, did Buju have a lot to say. He went all out, calling Afrobeats shallow and unsubstantial, saying it lacks the depth needed to liberate Africa. He even compared it to reggae and dancehall, which he believes are more politically charged and culturally rooted. Buju didn't hold back, saying that unlike legends like Fela Kuti and Lucky Dubé, today's Afrobeats artists aren't using their music to address social and political issues. He predicted that Afrobeats will eventually fade away because it lacks substance and purpose. But Tems wasn't going to let that slide. She acknowledged Buju's massive influence and respect in the music world, but had a different take on Afrobeats. Tems argued that Afrobeats is all about escapism. It's meant for dancing, good vibes, and just having a great time. The purpose of Afrobeats is to help people forget about their worries and just enjoy life, she said. She emphasized that Afrobeats has a different purpose than reggae, and that's okay. Tems went on to say that music comes in all forms and serves various purposes. Just like R&B is often about love and heartbreak, and jazz has its own unique style, Afrobeats is there for those who want to dance and feel good. Not every genre has to address social or political issues, she explained. Buju Banton's passionate plea for African music. Now, let's circle back to Buju for a second. In his interview, he was pretty passionate about the need for music that frees Africa. He expressed his disappointment that African artists aren't using their platform for social change. He also questioned their legacy, asking if they're only in it for the money or if they actually want to leave a mark that will be remembered. He wasn't the only one with this viewpoint. Nigerian artist Burna Boy also had some thoughts on the matter. He shared similar feelings about the lack of depth in Afrobeats, saying many songs don't reflect real-life experiences. Now, here's where we need your opinion. What do you all think about this debate? Should music always have a deeper message? Or is it okay for some genres to just be fun and carefree? Do you agree with Buju Banton and Burna Boy? Or do you side with Tems on this one? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and inside scoops. Over to you, Audience View. We can't wait to hear your thoughts. Keep the conversation going, and as always, thank you for being a part of our community. See you in the next video.